So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to underline text here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word underline just like this, or even just go ahead and type in the word line, simplest way to do it is to highlight the text that you want to underline. Go to this top bar to where there's the U and the line. Go ahead and select that. It'll underline it. If you deselect it, it'll not do that. You can also press Command U on your keyboard at the same time, and you can kind of toggle back and forth between the two. If you want to do certain letters, highlight certain letters, you can do it the exact same way. If this isn't appearing, you can go ahead and highlight the text right here. Go to the top left, press Format, under Text right here, go to Underline, go ahead and select it, and it'll do the exact same thing. I guess in theory as well, you can add some text and then just add a line beneath it if you want as well, but this is probably the simplest way to do it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to underline text on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.